Another thing that I'd like to talk about, and another Shasta difference, would be deco drain. Now we've all seen them. They are in the decking themselves, and what they do is typically, you've seen this one, and as the water pools up on the decking, it falls through into this channel, and then the water drains or sheds off to the sides. However, Shasta takes it a little bit different. Notice the difference between this one and the standard deco drain. Shasta uses a wider drain, and it is a comparison here. You can see that this is an 1.5 inch opening, and what we can do is either add pipe at the end where it dumps out into the soil from the drainage. We can either add a pipe and extend it out further away from the house, or if this ever becomes clogged, you can take your garden hose and you can push it all the way through. And you just can't do that with an industry standard deck drain. Again, another Shasta difference.